Hello everybody, this is Sachin Jadhav. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you shortcut keys in computer. Hit the subscribe button, tap the bell icon to get more notifications. Before I start, I would like to explain about keyboard keys. As you can see, center top of the keyboard, F1 to F12, this is called function keys. As you can see, keys name called navigation and editing keys. Below you can see this is called directional keys. As you can see over here, this is called numeric keypad. Here you can see this is called escape key. As you can see over here, this is called Windows key. This is called control key. This is called alert key. Let's get started. Thanks for joining me again. As you can see, I am on the laptop screen. I'm going to open MS Word. I just click on start. As you can see, MS Word. I'm going to click on this. As you can see, MS Word has opened. I'm going to select this text. I just press Ctrl C, copy the selected text. Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus V, paste the selected text. As you can see, I'm going to select this text. I just press Ctrl X, cut the selected text. I'm going to select this. I'm going to press Ctrl V. Make the selected text bold. As you can see, again I'm going to select this. I'm going to press Ctrl I. As you can see, italicize the selected text. Again, I'm going to select this. I'm going to press Ctrl U. As you can see, underline the selected text. I'm going to press Ctrl D. As you can see, open font preferences window. Here we can change font style, font size and effects also. Now I am going to press Ctrl F. As you can see, find and replace the letter. Now I am going to type over here my. I just click on next. You can see my text. Now I am going to type it. I just click on find next. As you can see, the text is over here. I am going to press Ctrl M. As you can see, indents the paragraph. I am going to press Ctrl J. As you can see, justifies the current line to evenly space its text or word between the left and right margin of the page. Now I am going to press Ctrl P. Opens the print preview window. I am going to press Ctrl R. As you can see, right aligns the paragraph. Now I am going to press Ctrl E. As you can see, change the alignment of a line. And now I am going to press Ctrl S. Save the current file. Now I am going to press Ctrl O. As you can see, open the files. Now I am going to press Ctrl N. As you can see, open new document. I am going to press Ctrl W. As you can see, exit current document. I am going to press on Windows key. As you can see, open the start menu. Now I am going to press Windows key plus V. As you can see, switch to desktop view. Now I am going to press Windows key plus E. Open the Windows Explorer. As you can see, I'm going to press Windows key plus U. As you can see, open Ease of Access Center.
Start on screen keyboard. Set up high contrast. Start magnifier. Start narrator. Start on screen keyboard. Set up high contrast. Start magnifier.
Now I am going to press F5. As you can see, refresh the program window.
Start on screen keyboard. Set up high contrast. Start magnifier. Start narrator.
Now I'm going to press F1.
Start on screen keyboard.
As you can see, browse word help.
Set up high contrast.
Now I'm going to press alert tab. Now I'm going to press alert tab. As you can see, switch between open programs like this, like this. I'm going to press alert F. File menu option in current program. Now I'm going to press alert F4. Computer will shut down. As you can see, these are the shortcut keys in computer which I have explained. As you can see. Thanks for watching.